need a bigger school.
Oh my God, it's David Hodge!
Oh, so we're so glad to be here,
Yeah.
David. Wow, my goodness, finally not be holding on to that secret.
Yeah, this been a killer.
It's been so long. I mean, so here's a picture. This is when we first told everybody. Remember where this was?
Yeah, next level.
Next level.
August of last year, man.
Yeah, August of last year. It has been months that we've been keeping the secret. I thought it was going to kill Meredith.
Yeah, me too.
It's gonna kill me too.
Yeah? Yeah.
I feel like you've told people.
There's
kept
a
it better
couple
than you.
people that have known, but then there's a few people that have known that I was moving and then have been trying to put things together.
Yeah.
So it's been, I'm not saying nothing, just
Well, it's really exciting to have you. I
Oh,
think you know, when we first started talking, I was like, well, why are you moving? Because you've got an awesome career. Winter's Training is an awesome location, great school. So I mean, I think that's a question that, you know, needs to be answered too, for sure.
it's the weather.
The weather.
You
Well,
live
that
on the
makes
face
sense,
of
yeah.
the sun. I'm just kidding. Yeah, fantastic career for a good company. Just it was personal reasons, health issues with some in my family, and since most of our families in the Southeast, we felt necessary to actually come back for that, and this just kind of came out of nowhere. So having this offer, being in the location that it is with family around us, it was just like it was meant to be, like it was perfect. So it was, you know, it's always difficult making moves and stuff, but it seems like this is the right thing to do, and being able to come to Reets just, you know, sweeten the pot.
Yeah.
I kept hearing about this David character, so it's finally nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well, and you're spot on with the character stuff.
Well, there's plenty of characters around here,
Oh, yeah.
in case you haven't noticed.
Oh, I've noticed.
So what are you bringing to RDA?
Class is. Classes, yeah.
Character comment on point.
Yeah, exactly. Well, Reeds has had just a long history of providing top-notch education, and I just felt like I could add to that from a health and safety aspect, fire and smoke remediation side, and the new class, which seems to be the one that people love a lot, is the trauma and crime scene course. So anything that's hazardous, felt like that could be added to Reeds, just to make things even that much better, you know.
Blah, blah, blah. So when is the first class that we're doing?
We're looking at about July 20th for the very first class. Could be a mixture of a couple classes over a 4 or 5 day period, which we health and safety in conjunction with either fire and smoke or trauma and crime scene, which I'm leaving up to you to choose.
Yep, I've already
and
chosen.
I know which one you're probably looking at, but that's just because you
I
have
don't know though. I don't
you
know.
have a sixth sense in here, just like
Yeah.
me. So
Yeah.
I know which one you're
and
going
the other
with.
thing is, when you said, I'll let you pick, it reflects a good understanding of how things work around here. You notice with the name Meredith, what it begins with, right?
Yes.
Me. So it's basically, as long as you don't ever forget that,
Never even thought of that. Ever. Like never once.
it all begins with me.
Yes.
That's, yeah.
You know,
So-
I know when to pick and choose my battles, and this is
you're learning.
yes. I'm married. I know how it goes. Yeah, you just tell me what to do, and that's where I'll go.
Well, more importantly, I think people are wondering about online training.
Man.
That's what I thought.
That is something that many educational institutes have been doing for a long time. Our industry has just kind of been behind the times. You all haven't, but that is a direction that this industry is going. So you all already have platforms and stuff for this, and there's a lot of changes coming within education. And yes, much of that is going to be revolving around online. So yeah, you're going to be extremely busy.
So we have more
A
coming?
whole lot more coming.
Yeah.
That
Hold
sounds
on more.
exciting.
Well, I will tell you that confirm that we have behind the scenes footage of videos. Dave has already been shooting videos, so this is
She's
pretty
late to
cool.
the party.
Yeah. So here he is. He looks awesome. He looks like a real pro in this
wow.
behind the scenes. And yeah, that's David shooting a quick tip. So that is going to be one of the ways you'll be able to see David between now. Because when do you start? You're not starting today.
No, I start officially July the 7th.
You realize that it will have been almost a year from the time that we said, let's do this, to the time that you actually were here?
Yep.
Been a long year.
Been a long year. Just had to get some things taken care of before we could make the move. So,
Understood. Well, so you'll be able to see David in these quick tips. We're going to leak those out as we move along. And also commenting on Restores Built Tough. And David will still be at Winners Training for the next few months. So you can see him there as well.
Yep.
So we're looking forward to the very near future when you'll be there. Yeah. Now, we have a lot of new things. We just talked about David being here, and then we also have, in case you didn't notice, there's another person over here, Chris.
Yes.
And so Chris is our newest videographer.
Yeah, but I didn't get my own video though.
This is your
Feel left
video.
out.
I just took part in your video. So, yeah.
Let's all lean this way. So Chris,
Yes.
so glad to have you here. So well. So yeah, it's been a nice addition to have Chris with us. So that we can gear up our videography and our online training production with David coming on. Also, new way. Speaking of online training, new way to deliver online training. So that is going to be awesome.
Reeds TV streaming. We're super excited about it.
Awesome. Well, we're looking forward to that. That's in the very near future. And because you've got so much new stuff that you're bringing to the table, we had to redo the website. So even though Meredith has been working late nights and weekends,
Nick is not going to appreciate that. Even though he's
Speaking
not
of
here,
Nick,
he is
where
not
is
gonna.
Nick?
Yeah, Nick, he
wasn't that excited.
Yeah,
so
I think he feels a little bit
intimidated.
He doesn't like
maybe-
gingers. Is that what it is? It's the red
It's
beard.
the gingers, and he also feels a little bit, I feel like he's intimidated by, we can say all these things because he's not here.
He's not here.
Yeah,
I don't know why you'd be intimidated by this.
yeah, well, anyway, that's Nick. But he is at a wedding. It's like, come on, man.
His?
No, not his wedding.
No, he's
no.
yeah.
His wife would be pretty upset
She
about
would be furious
So that's great.
Don't
July
forget-
7th. What?
about next level. Like you have not said
next
one word this
level.
entire video about next level.
Yes, he did. About last year's next level.
That's true.
But not this year.
Not
So,
this year's.
so who's going to be on the next level event?
Well, this joker right here.
Yeah, the latest addition to
Yeah.
Next Level.
I got a comedy
obviously.
skit. That's my thing. I'm the
We're looking
lunch
forward to it.
guy.
So this will be the first time you've been on the stage with Mike McAllowitz. He's going to be here from the book Profit First. He's going to be awesome.
Oh, I am.
Yeah,
I didn't.
yeah. It's a pretty big stage.
I'll tell you about it later.
Surprise!
I'll give you your schedule later.
So it's going to be an
Thank you.
amazing event. It is really going to be a totally different experience this year.
August the
Just-
26th
yeah.
I'm
through the
excited.
28th.
Yeah.
Except for my part. I'm excited.
August 26th to 28th, is that what it is?
It is
Oh,
August.
all
August
right.
the 26th.
Oh, wait, that's my
through the
vacation.
28th.
Oh, we forgot to mention
Let's
that.
say it again. August the 26th.
all hands
All right,
on
so
deck.
you can reach out to Meredith if, do reach out to Meredith because we
Yeah.
know everybody wants to be at Next Level. I mean, nobody's going to any shows because everything's canceled because of the coronavirus.
Which
Oh,
means
don't
they'll have
even
plenty
say
of money
that
to
word.
come to
That's
next
right.
level.
I know. It's like it'll
Yeah.
be time. You'll be finally coming
So there'll
out
be
of
no
your
shows for
quarantine.
anybody to go to this year up until this will all be worked out by August.
Yeah.
So
Awesome. Well, all right, that's it. We're gonna check you out on some quick tips. We got to go finish filming a few of those, and there'll be a few other things out there. Until then, welcome, David.
Thank you. Appreciate it.